Happy International Women's Day to all the incredible women who follow and support my page. I'm grateful for your love and support. Today is a day to recognize the strength, resilience, and grace that many of you women carry every single day. As women, we wear many hats. We're mothers, daughters, sisters, leaders, caregivers, and often the quiet strength behind so many families and communities. But beyond all the roles we play, today is also a reminder that every woman has value, purpose, and a voice that deserves to be heard. I want to encourage every woman listening to me right now to continue walking boldly in who God created you to be. Your strength matters. Your kindness matters. Your faith matters. And the example you set today is shaping the generation that is coming after you. So today, celebrate yourself and celebrate the women around you. Lift each other up and support one another, and never forget the power that lies within a woman who knows her worth and trusts in God. Happy International Women's Day, my woman on this page, and thank you for being a part of my beautiful community. As always, Mama Selva, have a beautiful morning, afternoon, evening, or night, in which part of the world on a day.